Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Windows update with the error code KB5053657 failed to install in Windows 11 computer. So this optional cumulative update preview for Windows 11 versions 23H2 was released on March 25, 2025, and the possible causes of this error include corrupted update files, unreliable network connections, and conflicts with system services. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable third-party antivirus. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type Windows Security and then click open. So here at Windows Security at left side menu, and then you need to select virus and threat protections and then click on right side and then scroll down. And then here at virus and threat protection settings, and then you need to click this manage settings. So here at manage settings, and then you can see now this real-time protections. So all you have to do is to disable this real-time protections, and then we need to turn off. Okay, so you can see here the button and then turn off. If you receive user account control and then click yes. Alright, so once you turn off this real-time protections, and then we need to close this Windows Security, and the other solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then we need to type Troubleshoot settings, and then click open. And then here at Troubleshoots, and then we need to select other troubleshooters. At here again at other troubleshooters, and then we need to select Windows Update, and on right side then you can see here this run button and then click and wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing and diagnostic process. And troubleshooting has completed, so the result is complete. And then problems found, we have the Windows Update issues. In the other one, service registration is missing or corrupt, and then this is already fixed. If this problem is not yet fixed, and then you need to click this yes, but if not, then click no. And also you can view the detailed informations about this issue. So once done here at Windows troubleshooters, and we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to fix corrupted system files and repair Windows image. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and select run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and then next step, then we need to enter this command keyword as fc /scan now. So /scan now, that is one word, and then press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, so here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. So this command keyword as fc scan now, so this is command used in Windows to run the system file checker as fc tool, which scans all protected system files on your computer and replaces any corrupted or incorrect versions with the correct Microsoft versions. Then we need to wait to complete the verifications. And verifications 100% complete. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type and copy this command keyword, dsym space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health. So copy that one, Ctrl+C to copy this command keyword, and we need to paste in here Ctrl+B and then press enter. And deployment image servicings and management tool. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. The restore operations completed successfully. And then we need to close the CMD and then here at the start menu and then we need to restart. Alright? So that's it guys on how to fix Windows Update with the error code KB5053657 failed to install in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.